it is. From USDA-inspected farms to our secret blend of 11 herbs and spices, every piece is hand-breaded and pressure.
Welcome inside the largest KFC chicken processing facility in the United States. Here, millions of pounds of...
It all begins with premium fresh chicken. Refrigerated trucks deliver USDA-inspected whole birds from contracts. Cold storage maintains pristine freshness. Refrigerated rooms the size of warehouses hold thousands of birds at 30. Processing begins with automated positioning. Whole birds are hung on specialized shackles moving along overhead conveyors.
Cutting is precise and efficient. Advanced equipment separates each bird into specific parts: breasts, thighs.
Washing ensures absolute cleanliness. High-pressure water jets spray each piece from multiple angles, removing any bone fragments.
Rapid chilling is critical for safety. Ice water baths cool chicken quickly to below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing...
Marinade injection ensures flavor throughout. Multiple precision needles inject seasoned brine deep into each piece.
Marinating preparation is where magic begins. Enormous stainless steel tanks mix proprietary seasoning blends with...
Patience creates perfection. Marinated chicken rests in refrigeration for hours, allowing seasoning.
This is KFC's greatest secret, the famous 11 herbs and spices recipe, known completely to only agriculturists.
The coating starts with premium flour. High-quality wheat flour provides the base, blended precisely with the secret herb and spice mix.
Breading is a precise two-stage art. First, chicken receives a light flour coating, then a second, heavier application with legs.
Hand breading ensures quality impossible for machines. Trained workers press coating onto chicken with specific technique.
Coordination creates efficiency. Multiple breading stations work simultaneously, each handling hundreds of pieces.
Resting is essential before frying. Freshly breaded chicken sits briefly, allowing coating to adhere properly.
KFC's secret isn't just the recipe, it's pressure frying. Specialized cookers seal tightly, cooking chicken under pressure.
Oil quality makes or breaks fried chicken. Premium vegetable oil is filtered constantly, temperature monitored to within.
Safety is verified, never assumed. Temperature probes inserted into chicken confirm internal temperatures exceed 100.
Draining creates the perfect finish. Freshly fried chicken rests on specialized racks, allowing excess oil to drain away.
Every piece is inspected visually. Quality inspectors examine color uniformity, coating integrity, and
Packaging is engineered for hot fried chicken. Specialized containers with ventilation prevent sogginess while maintaining warmth.
Temperature control continues after cooking. Specialized warming cabinets maintain chicken above 140 degrees Fahrenheit.
Coating strength is tested mechanically. Samples undergo shaking and handling tests, measuring how much breading separates, ensuring the crust stays attached through packaging and service.
Delivery completes the chain. Restaurant staff receive fresh chicken, verifying temperatures and quantities before immediate...
Bulk packaging serves KFC restaurants. Large insulated containers hold dozens of pieces.
Sealing protects quality in transit. Secure lids lock in heat and moisture while preventing contamination.
Distribution begins immediately. Insulated trucks equipped with temperature monitoring receive containers directly from production.
Export operations serve global demand. Specialized frozen packaging, international labeling, and air-sea performance. KFC's reach is truly global. Similar facilities worldwide adapt the Colonel's recipe to cold chain integrity is non-negotiable. Though chicken is hot-packed, refrigerated backup systems ensure
Competition demands distinction. KFC's pressure fried method, secret recipe uniqueness, and crispy coating.